Hi everyone, Nathan Taddeo from Credo here, and today I'm going to speak to you about the Mortgage Health Check part of the service we offer. So if you've clicked on this link, you're obviously interested in it, so I'm going to explain what a Mortgage Health Check is, how you could possibly benefit, and where to go from there. So a Mortgage Health Check is where we look into you, those of you with existing loans, how much it's costing you, and what else could possibly be out there. We're basically looking into, is this what's right for you? Could you possibly be saving some money? Now, a lot of people don't actually think about this. You might be thinking about it in passing, you might hear some rates on the radio, but you're not doing the numbers in your head and you don't know what you could possibly be missing out on. So what we'll do is we'll speak to you about your mortgage. So you'll inquire, we'll ask you a few questions that are pretty simple to answer. You'll either typically know them, or it'll be very easy for you to find out the information. So that's how much is your loan balance, what rate are you paying, or what's your monthly repayments, how long have you had it for, are you paying for any features or fees on top of that? And also what your property is worth, because that can determine what the banks would offer you. Now we'll see, based on that, what else could be available. Now you might not think that's a great amount or that the difference is significant enough, but just to give you an idea, even 0.5% difference on a $250,000 loan is $1,250 a year. Now remember, you would have already paid tax on that money, so that's as good as a pay rise just for getting a small difference on a relatively small loan based on what's around. So you can think often we're saving people much more than that. Now, how do we find that out? Well, we look at all that information I've told you about before, take it away, see what else is available based on that information, do some numbers and get back in touch. So your second phone call with one of our people would be, hey, we've found this deal is out there. It's similar to what you said you want or said you already have. And that's going to save, I don't know, $3,000 a year. Now, if you'd like to take that next step, then we'll go get the extra information from you to see what other lenders there could be. Because remember, we would have run that on basic numbers, but we look at over 40 different banks. So if we can't find a solution out there that's going to save you some money, either you've already got a really good deal and all you've wasted is a bit of time, or you've got a very unique scenario and we can try and help you through that. But if we can save you some money, then we'll hold your hand through it. We'll take that extra information and go down that refinance path. But at all times disclosing to you all the information, all the positives and the negatives, and all the fees and features, and let you decide if that's enough, and we'll hold your hand through it. And at the end, the lender pays us directly, doesn't get added onto the rate or anything that it might cost you, that would otherwise cost you. It costs them because they get a client they wouldn't otherwise have got, and all we've done is do some work for you and save you some money. So that's the basics there. Do inquire. It's very simple information just to get the inquiry through. We'll be in touch and check on the health of your mortgage.